Hello friends, welcome to Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa. Myself Chauhan Digvijay. Today in this video presentation I am going to teach the students of standard 4th. My subject is English, unit number 1, Neha's alarm clock, as part 2. In our previous video we have learnt about a poem, okay, Wake Up, and as a first part we have learnt about this lesson, Neha's alarm clock. I have read this lesson in our previous video. We have learnt some hard words, optional reading of the lesson, and in our last video. So in this video I am going to teach you, we will repeat some hard words, optional questions, then who said to whom, and find the hidden words. Okay, so these are the topics we have taken here. So listen to me carefully. If you have any doubt about this lesson, any question about this lesson, you can send me message, you can ask me questions. Okay friends, now friends, we have learnt in our previous video about Neha's alarm clock. So she was very used to sleep late night, but and she does not want to go to school. Okay, as she wished her alarm बंद हो जाए, ऐसा वो इसकी विश थी. ओके, हर दिन एवरी डे 6 o'clock in the morning she ring the alarm rings. Okay, and she wakes up. So she does not want to go to school, so she mutters to herself, this alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. It's so unfair. So how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. So she wished to love in the very early morning. Okay, so I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. She wished to this clock would forget its job sometimes. This is some repetition we will do in this video, so that you can understand, you can remember. So there is another character, narrator in this lesson. So after alarm there are some creepy birds which come to the window every day, and they wake up Neha. So the birds tell, wake up dear, wake up fast, wake up dear, wake up fast. Okay, so Neha gets up with a start. Okay, then even this wish of Neha's comes to true. Neha सोचती है कि why don't the birds leave me alone. वो birds मुझे क्यों leave alone, क्यों नहीं छोड़ देते, क्यों सोने नहीं देते. So the next morning there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. Next morning the birds did not come to her window. Okay, but there is someone else who does not want to her to miss the school bus. Yes, of course, it was the sun, because the sun fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Okay friends, now, oh my eyes, now it's the sun waking up me. Okay, so why can't he let me be. So Neha ने सोचा कि ये सन भी मुझे क्यों सोने नहीं देता. So even this wish of Neha comes to true. Next morning the sun is behind the clouds. Sun कहाँ होता है? Clouds के पीछे. So Neha snores till she hears her mother's voice. So नेहा जब तक वो अपनी मम्मी का आवाज़ नहीं सुनती थी, मम्मी का कॉल नहीं, बुलाया नहीं जब तक मम्मी ने, तब तक वो सोती ही रही. सो व्हाट हैपन? देयर इज़ नो एस्केप नाउ. सो बिकॉज मम्मी, हर मदर वॉज देयर. सो नेहा गेट्स अप एंड गेट्स रेडी. कैन यू इमेजिन व्हाट हैपन्स द नेक्स्ट डे? सो आप इमेज कर सकते हो, जैसे कि हमने, हर वॉच सेज इट इज़ 6 o'clock. शी कॉल्स आउट टू हर मदर, Ma, who woke me up today? This is Neha speaking. To whom? To her mother. Ma, who woke me up today? So Neha, narrator says, mother smiles. So mother smiles. Neha, who else? You, of course. दूसरा कोई नहीं. Of course, you, yourself. But I was sleeping. How could I? So Neha के बोलती है कि मैं तो सो रही थी, कैसे मैं अपने आप उठ गई. ओके, सो नाउ टेल मी, व्हाई डू यू ईट योर लंच एवरी डे एट 1 in the afternoon? आई फील हंग्री. सो व्हाई डू यू स्लीप एट नाइट एवरी नाइट? बिकॉज शी फील्स स्लीपी. सो देर इज क्लॉक इनसाइड ourself. There is a clock inside ourself which tells us when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. So now Neha understands this. So this is something we have repeated here. So I will repeat some hard words. So snuggles means to be in a comfortable position. Okay, he snuggles himself into the sleeping bags. Now mutters. So mutters means say something in a very low voice. Say something in a very low voice. For example, Rashmi always mutters in the class. Okay, some students have this kind of habit. So next one, window sill, the bottom part of window. Clothes were hanging from the window sill. Okay, relax, free from tension, to be free from tension. So I try to relax before the examination. These are the some hard words we have learnt in our previous video, but I have repeated it so that you can understand it in a better way. Okay friends, now take the correct answer. We have read this whole lesson, and now you will have to give the answer of these questions. Okay, so what time did Neha's clock ring every day? So what time did Neha's clock ring every morning? Every morning नेहा का अलार्म कब बजता था? Yes, 4 o'clock. Options are 4 o'clock, 9 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Obviously 6 o'clock is the right answer. Okay, so here this is the right answer. Okay, so take this. Now what did the bird say? What did the bird say? What did the bird say? Birds क्या कहते थे? Wake up. Yes, B is the right answer. Wake up. Okay friends, sleep on ऐसा सोते रहो ऐसा नहीं बोलते थे. Go and play ऐसा भी birds नहीं बोलते थे. So wake up is the right answer. Okay friends, now question number 3, what is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Every day हमारे अंदर एक क्या होता है जो हमको every day get up करता है, उठाता है, जगाता है सुबह में? So our body clock, our eyes, or our feet? So our body clock is the right answer. Okay friends, A, our body clock is the right answer. Okay friends, now come to next page. Okay, next slide. So put the letters in the right order. There are some words given here not in right order, but you will have to do it. You will have to arrange them in right order so that it will make a proper word. Okay, so example I have already done for you all the answers so that you can uh, learn it very easily. So ILESM. So first word banega smile. Okay, in your textbook the first word only is given. So SMILE smile. Okay, so second word NORMING. So this word will be morning, MORNING, morning. Okay, now the third one MRALA. So the answer, the word will be alarm, ALARM, alarm. Okay, alarm, ALARM. Now third one, sorry, fourth one, EDORNS, EDORNS. So the word will be SNORED, snod. Okay, now next one OCKLE. Yes, very easy one, OCKLE. So the answer will be clock, CLOCK. Okay friends, now next and the final and the last one WOD WIN. So the answer will be window, WINDOW, window. Okay, now question number 1. So these are the words which you will have to write in your notebook. Okay, now question number 1. So I am reading, if there is no clock in the house, suppose if there is no clock in your house to wake up you in the morning, how will you wake up? अगर आपके घर में अलार्म या क्लॉक नहीं है तो फिर आप सुबह में कैसे उठेंगे? ओके, सो आंसर विल बी, सबका आंसर अलग अलग हो सकता है यहाँ पर. सो आई विल वेक अप फ्रॉम माई मदर्स कॉल. ओके, अगर हम अलार्म नहीं रखते घर में तो कैसे आप सब चिल्ड्रन उठते हो? मदर्स का कॉल, मदर्स आपको जगाती होगी शायद. ओके, सो आई विल नॉट कंटिन्यू टू स्लीप, आई विल नॉट, लुक हियर, आई विल नॉट कंटिन्यू टू स्लीप as I myself will have to get ready for the school because I will not continue to sleep. मैं सोना नहीं चाहती थी because as I myself will have to get ready for the school. Okay, मुझे स्कूल के लिए रेडी होना है, इसलिए I will not continue to sleep. Okay friends, now next question number 2. What are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? What are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? So answer is, हम टाइम का पता कैसे हमें मालूम होता है, कैसे हम टाइम जान सकते हैं या समझ सकते हैं? ओके, सो there are different way, but we can know the time from the sunshine. We can know the time from the sunshine. Sunshine से हमको पता चल सकता है कि टाइम क्या हो. Approximately we can imagine. Okay, so we can know the time from the sunshine, whether it is afternoon or evening, whether it is afternoon or evening. Okay, now friends, there is very nice exercise for you which you will have to do here. I will only help to do. Okay, so find the hidden words. There are some hidden words here in the puzzle. You will have to find which words you will have to find. I will show you. Okay, mother, birds, clock, alarm, happy, morning, holiday, hungry, Sunday. Okay, So there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 words are there. Okay, so you will have to pay attention and listen to me carefully, and I will help you. Okay, so mother, first one example is given in your uh, textbook. So I will draw a circle over this word. Yes, MOTHER, mother. Can you see? Mother. Yes. Okay, friends. Mother. Can you see? Mother. Okay. So the first word is mother. Now look here. Second word, birds. 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 Okay, birds. Okay, birds. Have you got it or not? Yes, very good. Now the third one, clock. Clock. The third one, clock. Find out. Yes, you can find from the here this word, CLO CLOCK. Okay, CLOCK. Yes. Okay. Now fourth one, alarm. So here find out. ALARM. Alarm. Okay, friends, very good. Now happy. Yes, happy. Find out this word, happy. Happy we have given here, happy. Okay, now after happy, which word is there? Morning. Yeah, morning. So morning here, last, MORNING, morning. Okay, friends, morning. Now after morning, holiday. Holiday. Yes, look here, holiday, HOLIDAY, holiday. Okay, holiday. Then after holiday, hungry. Now yes, hungry is in the first line. Okay, hungry. Hungry. Yes, hungry. Hungry, 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 the spelling of hungry. Now the remain last one, Sunday. So if you look sharply, you will find these words in this puzzle. Okay, so we have find already 9 words in this puzzle. So be careful and write at home very carefully. Okay, now come to next exercise. You will have to say who said these words to whom. ये words किसको किसने बोला था, किसने किसको बोला था, आपको ये बताना है. So I am reading the first one. Okay, wake up dear, wake up fast. Wake up dear, wake up fast. So ये word birds ने बोला था. किसने? bird. किसने बोला था? narrator को. Okay, narrator. wake up dear, wake up fast. Wake up dear, wake up fast. So you will have to write this in your notebook. Next one, माँ who woke me up today. माँ who woke me up today. सुबह में मुझको किसने आज जगाया था. So the narrator says to mother. Narrator says to mother. Here narrator means Neha. Okay. Number 3, why do you sleep at night every night. why do you sleep at night every night? So these words are spoken by the mother to whom? To the narrator. Okay friends, now listen to me carefully. This is the second part, okay, of this unit, Neha's alarm clock. Look here, write all these exercises in your English notebook. We will continue this lesson. We will continue this lesson in our next video as a grammar point. Okay, so as grammar point, which are the grammar points we will learn? So use of was and were and use of different prepositions as part 3. Okay friends, so don't misunderstanding it. Okay, uh, again I am repeating, this is the second part of this unit, Neha's alarm clock, and we will continue again this as a part as our grammar topic. Okay friends, so write all these exercises in your notebook. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video.